So you created your custom table style in Excel or PowerPoint to save yourself time. Now you create a new document, you go up to your style section, and it's not there. What happened? Well, it turns out that those styles don't follow you system-wide, so unfortunately you have to copy it to your new document every time you create a new one. So I'm going to give you an example in Excel of what that looks like before you copy and then after you copy as well. Let's take a look at our target. So we see here the table is selected. We go to table design, table styles, and we don't have any custom table styling options here. If we go to our source document, we have a table selected here, table design, table styles, and we have our custom style right here. So you can copy out the table or you can copy out the tab, which is what I'm going to show you today. So if you move or copy, create a copy, select your target workbook, then you copy it out. Now, once you go to your original target table again, you have this option for your custom table style. And it's still going to stay with you even if you get rid of the copied over element, even though you haven't used it yet. So let's delete that tab. And with the tab deleted, you see I still haven't applied the new style yet, but boom, just like that, the style is there. So if you have any other questions that this raises for you, if you have any other ways of doing this, or if it sparks some other idea, I'd love to see your comments down below, and I look forward to having a conversation with you there. See you in the comments.